Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve an issue on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This is failure to display security and shutdown option. The sign in process couldn't display security, and in option when Control Alt Delete was pressed. If Windows doesn't respond, press escape or use the power up button to restart guys. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Here you want to copy my in my description and two comments is there guys. Copy the first comment. Tap the bar, right click, eject, press and click paste, press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and copy the next command guys. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject, paste, press enter. This percentage need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.